Hi, Liam. Oh, how are you? Jasper's watching his favorite movie. Willy Wonka. Loves that movie. Liam. Hi. Tell the camera what's going on. Tell us what you're doing. Liam's 4 months old. 4 months old already, and look at all that drool. Look at all that drool. Is somebody getting a tooth? Maybe. It's kind of early, but boy, he's acting like it. Hey. Really? Amazing. Hi. We gotta raise this up already. His feet are nice and grounded. His legs are starting to bend under it. Yeah.